Thanks for clicking on the video of our Case IH 2020 year model 44F 1230 folding corn head. This is a non-chopping corn head that I'm here in Judah, Wisconsin. We traded it from a guy out west a ways that wanted a different brand, and this is what we have right now. The couplers look all okay. The augers look decent. The poly is in pretty good shape. Knives are fair. The guy had two of them. I'm guessing that probably 2,000 acres per unit, so it did not run in 24, so I'm going to assume 20, 21, 22, 23. 4 times 2, 8,000. That would be a logical guess, and we'll unfold it and run it for you. It does have the wand for Truesight. One poly screw I noticed was just a little bit dim, but otherwise it's not worn. Pretty common though. We had 4412s, 4400 series, just got great poly. They last a long time. They got that figured out pretty well. That's the it's got a little thing on it. Looks like there's a big hole right there. Drop is okay. Show you that it works. Endo loggers on it.